Are you ready to upgrade your workflow and unlock your creative potential? In 2025, artificial intelligence is no longer a futuristic concept. It's an essential part of our daily lives, reshaping how we work, create, and innovate. Today, we're cutting through the noise to bring you the top 5 AI tools you absolutely should be using. Let's dive in. Tool number 1, Perplexity, AI. First up, let's talk about research. Tired of scrolling through endless blue links on Google? Meet Perplexity, AI. Think of it as a super smart answer engine. Instead of just giving you links, Perplexity browses the web in real time and gives you a direct, summarized answer with all the sources cited. It's perfect for students, writers, and professionals who need accurate information fast. The interface is clean and distraction-free, and it even suggests follow-up questions to help you dig deeper. In 2025, it's the smartest way to search. Tool number 2, Suno. Have you ever wanted to create your own music, but didn't know where to start? Say hello to Suno. This incredible AI music generator can create a full original song, complete with vocals and instruments, from a simple text prompt. Just type in your lyrics or an idea, like a pop song about discovering a new city. Choose a style, and Suno brings it to life in seconds. It's not just for fun. Creators are using it to produce copyright-free music for videos, podcasts, and social media without needing any musical experience. Tool number 3, Synthesia. Need to create professional-looking videos at scale? Synthesia is a game-changer. It's an AI video generation platform that lets you create videos with realistic AI avatars just by typing a script. This is a massive time and cost saver for businesses. Companies are using it for everything from employee training and onboarding to creating marketing and product explainer videos in over 140 languages. It's as easy as making a slide deck and is revolutionizing corporate communications. Tool number 4, GitHub Copilot. For the coders and developers out there, GitHub Copilot is your new best friend. It's an AI pair programmer that lives in your code editor and suggests lines of code and even entire functions as you type. Studies have shown it can help developers code up to 55% faster. It helps you stay in the flow, reduces time spent on repetitive tasks, and conserves mental energy, letting you focus on solving the bigger problems and being more creative. In 2025, it's a must-have for boosting developer productivity. Tool number 5, Notion AI. Finally, let's get organized. Notion has long been a favorite for building personal and teamwork spaces, and its integrated AI takes it to another level. Notion AI is a smart assistant that lives right inside your documents and databases. It can summarize long meeting notes, brainstorm ideas, draft emails, translate text, and even create to-do lists automatically. By automating routine tasks and helping you find and organize information, Notion AI frees you up to focus on what's most important, boosting both your productivity and creativity. In the end, and that's a wrap, 5 incredible AI tools that can transform the way you work in 2025. Which of these are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.